is how I show my love.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another great video. Today we are going to be vlogging for a second time this summer. How you doing, Grandma?
I'm doing great. I'm looking forward to a bike ride, actually.
Yep, it's gonna be good. You got the cucumber and the, what are these? Peas? Yep.
Snap peas.
Yep. Oh, it's windy though. Very windy. Oh.
Might need a sweater with us at first because we're down by the lake.
Oh, I got a sweater. Got a sweater, hang on. So guys, all the bikes are outside.
And then
Let's go look. Let's go take a look, guys. Look at that. Yep.
Kaden!
Oh, Grandma, where are you going?
Going to get chicken out.
Grandma's gonna go get some chicken. Do you keep your chickens in here?
I keep,
Freeze them to death?
yeah,
Are these the chickens?
these are the chicken wings.
So you disarm them.
Yes.
Look at that.
Okay, what about that?
This keeps moving when I try putting it on.
Well, this, you see.
Let me see. So you do it very gently. Like that. See? And it doesn't move, right? Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
This is how I show my love. I made it in my mind because I blame it on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel does. Blame it on my own supply. Blame it on my ADD, blame it on my ADD.
So guys, we are now going home. We finished our bike ride. I enjoyed it. Did
How
you
many
enjoy it?
kilometers did you do?
Well, I'll tell ya. We did 15.
Pretty good.
Yep, it is.
This bike ride.
Yep. Did you enjoy it, Cody?
Yeah, it was good quality bike ride.
It was, yes.
Just like your camera, Kaden.
Yep. High quality camera. Yep.